We are just 100 meters away from chopper crash. You can see that is the place where yesterday afternoon CDS chopper had crashed. CDS Bipin Rawat along with his wife and other officials were traveling from Sulu to Wellington cantonment. On the way, just 6 kilometers away from Wellington, there is a place called Kateri. In that junction, you can see a gorge near this tea estate. At that place, according to eyewitnesses, the chopper got struck in the trees. The trees are completely chopped up during the rescue operation as well as during the investigation to find out the materials and the parts of Mi-17 V5. And you can see the cops are deployed. As of now, the black box also been detected from the spot. Black box will reveal whether there was any kind of emergency alert made by the pilot when the incident happened. Once they retrieve the materials from the black box, we will understand what really went wrong. Along with Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika Rawat and 11 other people succumbed to injuries when the chopper crashed in this particular area. To understand the geography, the Kateri is a location which connects the highway from Coimbatore to Kurnool. On the way, you will find a place called Kateri, which is a hill station, and it is completely filled with fog. And according to eyewitnesses, yesterday when this incident happened, there was no any kind of fog in the area and there was no any weather issue. But this particular location clearly shows that something really went wrong when the chopper was trying to land. According to sources from the Air Force, whenever a senior officers like Bipin Rawat take a flight or a chopper, there is a complete fit to fly certificate which will be given by the officials, where they will examine the chopper whether it is in the good condition to fly, and thereafter the certification is been given in written, and after that they will allow the chopper to fly. And that is where it's quite suspicious that what really went wrong, whether it is the weather condition which has led for this incident or any other technical slag. Only the investigation can reveal.